In this segment of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams and then access the recording after the meeting is complete. So we go here to the calendar. Let's say that on Tuesday, I want to have a meeting at 9:30. I put in the details, add the attendees. I could use the scheduling assistant and so on, and then press send. Now let's say that the meeting time came by, and now I open the meeting and everybody joins. And since I'm the organizer of the meeting, I want to go ahead and record it. I go here under More, scroll down to Start Recording. Obviously, there would be web cameras here. Once the meeting is over, we leave the meeting, end it, or stop the recording as well from where we started. Typically, you might have to give it a little time for the recording to be processed. If we go back here to the calendar option within Teams, go to that particular meeting, the meeting recording will be in two places within that meeting details. So we double click here, and then we can go to the meeting to look for the meeting recording under the chat option and also under the files option here on the top left. Under the chat, this is where it will display it, and you can press play to view it. It will open a web browser for you to sign into your Microsoft account, to your Teams account, to view the recording. And if we go to files, it will be in here, and again, you'll need to sign in to the browser with your Teams account to view it. And then you'll press play. Larger for now. Obviously, there would be web. From here, you can share then this recording by clicking on the share icon, select share again, or you can copy the link to this sharing or embed it or manage permissions for viewing it and so on. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.